Okay, so Chris Gabriels is down there. He's the operator of the thing, and he's putting on his wetsuit for some unspecified purpose. And there's the answer to the question of whether I can park my boat here while they're working on it. That big far barge is in the way. Alright, we're eyeballing the big rock structure out there to see if it's salvageable. We'll see. So there's the big old barge on the right occupying my work zone. And here's some future Rock Cove dock material. Lots of running motors and chainsaws. Comes another work barge. Yeah, it's going to be one busy place here. 3 weeks, they think. So what do you think, Tommy? Is this a perfect thing for guys to watch? All this heavy lifting and male bonding with tools? Yeah, this will be entertainment all day long. Only the trouble is I got a lot of stuff I got to do myself.
It's amazing watching this. It really is.
Yep. This is starting to look like a episode out of Bering Sea Gold here, where Sean Pomrenke is building gold dredges on barges. Only they're just trying to fix our dock here. It's a big job. There'll be a lot of sore backs after this is done.